Welcome to a demonstration of the bulk loader utility, developed by TEAM Informatics. At TEAM, our clients consistently approach us with projects of enormous logistical scale. In some cases, their needs involve managing and migrating hundreds of thousands or even millions of unstructured documents spread across multiple shares. Adding to the complexity, sometimes these documents are controlled by several people or departments, and the goal is to bring order to the chaos through implementation of a content management system. Which files go where? What metadata applies? The effort on this scale is almost always daunting. Even after success in such projects, we've looked back and said, there's a better way, and so we developed the bulk loader. Bulk loader enables organizations to quickly process large volumes of content stored in disparate networked file shares. Once identified, actions can be taken against that content, and the process is logged for review. We built bulk loader to handle potentially millions of documents, and so we also developed an intuitive web-based process and interface. Let's talk about the bulk loader process. Bulk loader starts by crawling your configured network file shares, discovering content objects, and registering them into a tracking database. The migration administrator groups the discovered files into one or more manifests and allocates those manifests for processing to subject matter experts. Those users also access bulk loader via the web and mark each content object with an action, that is, migrate, archive, delete, or leave in place. Once markup is complete, the manifest is submitted for real-time or scheduled processing. The status of each manifest is tracked, providing the migration administrator the ability to monitor and accurately report on the progress of the migration effort. The power of bulk loader comes from the object actions. When you're migrating wide swaths of content, not everything is likely to need the same process. So bulk loader allows you to choose from several options as to how to dispose of your content. The primary option is migrate, which allows you to connect bulk loader to a content management repository. Bulk loader currently speaks with Oracle's WebCenter Content, but the module can easily be modified to work with Alfresco or others. The migrate action allows you to choose a WebCenter folder, which has pre-assigned metadata and security. The content is checked into the management platform for continued disposition. Other actions like archive, delete, or leave in place allow file managers a spectrum of options. Perhaps some files need to be moved off premises for storage, whether that's hard copy or secure cloud, in which case the archive action can be assigned. Delete has you covered if some of the files are simply outdated and need to be cleaned up. Or just choose leave in place for bulk loader to ignore that file and move on to the next one. The object actions allow your file managers to decide the best course. Now let's see bulk loader in action. Let's log into the web interface as the administrative user. From here, we have access to all the configuration and functionality of bulk loader. Our first stop is the file crawler configuration. Here, we establish the file share locations. Let's choose a location on the server file system and then tell bulk loader to crawl it. As it crawls the location, bulk loader adds the found files to the tracking database to ensure the current contents of the location are captured. Now that the location has been crawled, we'll create a new manifest. First, we assign a user to own this manifest. Let's add user 1. Next, from the various crawled locations, we identify the files that user 1 is in charge of disposition for. Let's select a few here and move them over from the crawl list to the manifest. Now we've chosen a file location and created a new manifest for our assigned user to action. Let's switch accounts and start the disposition process. As we can see, while the admin had several master manifests, this user only has a couple. We'll click in and take a look at the new manifest. This is the manifest control interface. From here, the user will dictate action on all the files in the manifest sent by the administrator. Files default to the migrate option. The Pick a Folder window is a service-managed live view to the folder structure established in WebCenter Content. Simply choose a folder, and the selected file will be checked into the repository using that folder as a parent. The user can also select more than one file at a time for batch actions by individually clicking or by click dragging. Actions can then be applied to all selected items. Users can save their in-progress manifest at any time and return to it later. When done actioning all the files in the manifest, the user submits the list for processing. Once submitted, switching to the manifest status window provides administrators and users alike with a view of processing status, as well as a deeper dive into each manifest and the outcome of the processing of each item. The bulk loader tool will save you time and therefore money in your efforts to manage and/or migrate volumes of unstructured content. At TEAM, we understand the challenges and obstacles that plague businesses' efforts to harmonize their content and processes. Bulk loader is just one part of our efforts to assist you with bringing order to the chaos. For a more thorough or customized demonstration, please contact us and we'll be happy to set something up. Thank you.